are going to be making this super adorable Porg squishy from Star Wars The Last Jedi. This squishy turned out pretty cute and I hope you like it. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. So you're gonna need some memory foam. I got it out of a memory foam pillow I found at Walmart. So now I'm gonna take a pencil and sketch out the shape of a Porg's face. So this is the shape I got. That's about as close as I could get. Now just go ahead and take a sharp pair of scissors and cut along the outline, but don't cut right along the line so we can fix that later. So after a bit of cutting, this is the shape I got. Now I'm going to go back over with my scissors and fix all the rough edges. So after a lot of cutting, this is the shape I got. So when I was cutting, I left a little divot on the bottom because that's about the shape of a Porg's head. So now it's time to paint the squishy. We're going to be using black, white, and orange. And they do have to be puffy paint or else it will not work on the squishy. So I went on Google and looked up a picture of a Porg. So he has a lot of different colors on his face, but we're just going to start off with painting the nose white. So his cheeks are gray, so we're just going to take some black and white and mix it to get the right color. Then just go ahead and paint the bottom of his cheeks gray and the top of his head. So now to get that dark orange color, I'm just going to mix some black and orange until I get the right color. Then just paint the rest of his face. Next, with the same gray color we used, paint the back of his head. Before we paint the details on his face, make sure that it's pretty dry. And for the face, it's kind of hard to explain. You can pretty much see what I'm doing. Alright guys, now you know how to make this super adorable Porg squishy. This turned out so cute. I am in love with him. I'm thinking about making more Disney squishies, so if you have any you want me to make, be sure to leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to get to them. But before I go, I want to give a huge shout out to Faith Salon TV. She was the first one to see my Dollar Tree Slime Challenge. Thank you so much for your comment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!